I learned how to pray walking on the street. I pray in the supermarket. I used to pray offshore, pray on the tank, pray on the highway, pray on the motorbike. One day I prayed and I was consumed, and we passed where I was supposed to drop. We went home. I was engaged in the refinery, engaging. We went for like 30 minutes. I forgot that we have. When I now recovered myself, we were far away. We had strayed, and I begged the man, said, "You know what? We are lost. But the way to find ourselves is go back." I remember on the beach in Tanzania, at the foot of the Indian Ocean, I was speaking in tongues and just walking on the beach. I didn't know that I had strayed, left my hotel long time ago. And while I was speaking in tongues, Jesus came and stood by my side on the beach in the afternoon. When you continue using it, heavy products will start coming. Your spirit is too light for Jesus to appear to you. No, it's gas. And meanwhile, at every level, there are possibilities that are bound. At the gaseous level, at least you have seen one of the possibilities, which is cannot. The defense line is too much for a way to penetrate, even at the gaseous level.